Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Notion app showing a blank screen or not loading any page. First of all, what you're gonna do is swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone, remove Notion from the recent app and open it again. This clears temporary session errors. Then switch between Wi-Fi or mobile data, or toggle the airplane mode on and off. Notion needs a stable connection to sync your pages. Then go to settings, search for storage, scroll down, look for Notion and click offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps the documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. After that, we're going to update your app. Go to App Store, search for Notion, see if there is an update button available. If there is, click on the update button and update your app to the full latest version. After that, we're going to reinstall. It is the safe option. If the screen is still blank, remove the app and reinstall it. Don't worry, all your data is stored safely, so it will not be lost. Bonus tips: if it happens often, try logging into Notion.Safari. This helps confirm the issue is with the app or your account. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.